Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. This, as you know, is the 7th annual cow milking contest, and each year gets better and better. The measurements here, of course, are how much milk can be put in a bucket in the shortest amount of time. And the cows are the best milkers that we have. We hope that the people who are the contestants can equal what the cows can produce. Our official timekeeper this evening is Kelly Eskew, the Deputy County Clerk, who has her own phone with us, so thank you, Kelly. Before we get started, we're going to have a few words from the owner of the cows to tell us a little bit about the dairy and farming. So, Chris, where are you?
Right here.
There you go, Chris.
Thanks, Lou.
You're welcome.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Chris Van Aken. My wife, Jill, and myself farm in New Hampton, New York, where we milk 60 dairy cows twice a day. We both grew up very involved in our county's 4-H program and on our family dairy farms. So we are grateful to be able to help out Cornell Cooperative Extension in any event that we can help out with, since our 18-month-old twin daughters will eventually join 4-H. So this park, we really hope to see it grow, and we thank everybody for coming out tonight on behalf of our farm. And we're going to hear a little bit from Hannah.
Hello, my name is Hannah Wiebel, and I'm 12 years old. I've been a part of 4-H since I was 5 years old as a clover bud. I enjoy exhibiting my animals and sewing projects. Through my experiences with 4-H, I won 2 essay contests this year. I won a registered Guernsey calf. I had so much fun showing Athena at the showcase, the Guernsey Gold Showcase, and the New York State Fair. In addition, I won the National Oxford Sheep Foundation Flock Award. Through this, I earned 4 Oxford ewes. I showed my yearling ewe Snow and won Supreme Sheep at the showcase this summer. I have learned a lot through 4-H and have met many new friends. 4-H has helped me increase my confidence level, especially through public presentations. I am glad that 4-H is in my life. Thank you.
Thank you, Hannah. As has been our custom in these past few years, we follow the Marquis de Nemours rules of milking. He started them back in the 14th century, and they've held up ever since. Very, very difficult, but only the judge knows those rules. The contestants aren't even aware of them, so we kind of make them up as we go along. So, contestants, are you all ready to assume your proper position milking the cows? We're going to be judging the amount. Look here before you start. We're not ready yet. By this beaker into, I guess, what, 1/10 of a liter?
Well, we're probably going to measure by cups, because you did 8 cups in 3 minutes. So we might need 2 of these, but we also might need 1 of these. So we'll see what happens.
These guys are going to do much better than that. So are we all set? The milker for this one? No chair for you? No seat? No milking stool? Okay. So on the count of 3, our official timekeeper is Kelly Eskew, as I said before. 3 minutes to getting this thing done. So I'll count to 3. When I hit 3, you can start milking. 1, 2, 3, start. Looks like our milkers are having a pretty hard time. The standard procedure is using both hands. Pretty hard to do this one-handed, folks. It's better if you use 2 hands, guys. Not much good progress here, guys. I think we're going to have to go to the store to buy some milk to make these pails full. That's okay. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, folks. Don't give up. Just keep on working here. You've got a minute and a half left. Wow. Probably not the best milkers we've had, but very enthusiastic group here. Whoa. Getting close to 1 more minute, folks. 1 more minute. Keep working. It's at the 1 minute mark now. I hope we have enough to measure. Some of these folks, the bottom isn't even covered. We're getting there. Half a minute left, folks. 30 seconds. Keep working. Fifteen seconds. 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. All done. All right. Milkers, bring your buckets to the official scorekeeper this way. How do we do over here? Take your bucket to the official scorekeepers. Kelly, thank you very much for a great job.
You got some in there. You got it.
Oh, but you're going to be the winner here. Look at this. Whoa.
I'm going to go with
A third of an ounce.
Who's next?
Robert. Practice.
Yeah, it did. Did you practice?
We can use the whole cup measure.
Whoa. Don't spill it, Marie. Be careful. Whoa, it's right. Looks like you're easy champion here today. 8 ounces. Hey. Glass full, shot glass full. It's gonna be tough to measure that, huh? Did you drink some of it? Oh wow. There we go.
Hey, what do you want from a city girl?
A quarter of an ounce.
Quarter of an ounce. Hey. You want the microphone?
Rob Sassi is the winner in first position for Milk. Joe Coleman, second. And Robin White gets to keep her day job.